What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Black Shark 4 Pro. Yeah, this device was released in 2021 and now I'm doing this review in 2022 because if you are looking for the best performance and have a tight budget, then this one is the most affordable flagship gaming smartphone available now. Let's start from unboxing and let's go through some performance tests. Let's see how good is this one in 2022. My personal opinion, this one offers the best value for money at this time, and there are some discounts available. All the discount coupons and links are given in the description box below. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. The like button and subscription button is over there. In YouTube, subscription is for free, so go ahead, subscribe to this channel and support true content, share the love. Okay, here goes our Black Shark 4 Pro. I like the design of this package. The design isn't very crazy like many other gaming smartphones. It's kind of minimalistic. After opening the top lid of the box, you will notice there is a black shark waiting for you. They have added this picture everywhere and you will also find Black Shark logo on it. Inside this small box, you will get a Herschel protective case, a user manual or quick start guide. The basics are given inside, like how to use dual SIM card, and you will also get a SIM ejector tool inside this box. They have added a card in between the box and the smartphone. It says game is real. They have printed some specifications on it like Snapdragon 888 5G, 120 watt hypercharge, 6.67 inch AMOLED screen, 144Hz refresh rate, magnetic pop-up triggers, dual symmetrical stereo speakers, top 1 in DxOMark audio ranking. Well, let's put the smartphone aside, and wow, underneath that there are some stickers. This one is one of the first smartphones which got a 120 watt charger. This 120 watt charger is a bit bulky but works perfectly fine and never gets heated. They have also added a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable inside the box. Let's put all the things aside. Wow, inside the box they have printed high-res audio. Definitely this one comes with one of the best stereo speaker setup, and yeah, personally I like the sound quality of this smartphone. Let's unwrap this Black Shark 4 Pro. But I'm surprised to see they have even given the website address on this protective skin. I like this color. This one is a very subtle and there are some design language integrated into this. In different type of lighting, you will be able to see different type of design at the back. I like that Black Shark logo inside that X. I think this is one of the most attractive design. Also, if you don't know yet, then there is a RGB light hidden inside this design. But the camera module, the rear camera setup reminds me of my Samsung S10. It's almost similar but it has its own design, like different type of cutouts. On top you will notice a very big speaker grill, a primary microphone and antenna band. At the bottom it's almost similar, a solo antenna band, a very big speaker cutout, USB-C port, 3.5mm port and a primary microphone. Yeah, that 3.5mm port is pretty much essential for some people. You will also notice there is a third microphone on the left side on top of the volume rockers. Power button is on the right side and a fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. This fingerprint sensor is one of the best in its class, because nowadays there are many other smartphones comes with a fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button, but those doesn't perform as good as this Black Shark 4 Pro. Well, there are two magnetic triggers and there are two other sliders to enable and disable those magnetic triggers. In hand, definitely this one feels premium. I must mention this, sometimes I feel like this one is the best in the Black Shark lineup. This one feels premium, this one looks premium, and build quality is above and beyond standard. I also like this thing that Black Shark 4 Pro comes with a display protector applied on the display panel. Sometimes I have noticed that gaming smartphones doesn't come with very good quality or very good looking protective case, but this one is different. I have mentioned many times I like the design. The rear panel, this one is really good. This one is glass back with a lot of shades in it, and I was totally worried that the protective case would ruin the appearance. But no, the protective case offers a very good protection. and also gives it a new, different type of outlook, different type of identity. Well, let's power on our Black Shark 4 Pro. Let's check how good is this one. If you're worried about the display, actually this display panel is one of the best. There are all the necessary display options and features available in the settings. You will also be able to select 3 different refresh rate, either Ultimate, which is 140Hz, or Ultra High, which is 90Hz. I definitely don't always use that Ultimate refresh rate, but while gaming, Ultimate refresh rate is necessary. But I prefer Ultra High 90Hz refresh rate, which offers smooth and snappy feelings and at the same time preserves battery. But when you go to that ultimate 144Hz refresh rate, the whole thing is different. That's buttery smooth. This 6.67-inch AMOLED display panel goes very bright, black is very dark, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant. I have zero complaint about this display panel, rather I would give Black Shark 4 Pro 10 out of 10 for its display panel. There is this application Shark Chan. This is actually an assistant and you can play with this one. This is really a good addition to this Black Shark.
You think the others don't know what you are thinking? Commander? Stop it! Knock it off!
This Black Shark 4 Pro comes with a game space or shark space, and this can be enabled by pressing both the magnetic pop-up triggers. This will activate game lobby. You can add the games you wanna add in the game list, and you can do all type of customization in this place, like refresh frequency, color enhancement, graphic enhancement, and even they have a hunting mode. There are a few different performance modes like Ludocross, Solar Core. I usually use Solar Core, but when I'm playing games, I definitely select that Ludocross mode. As I mentioned earlier, there is a RGB light at the back underneath that rear camera panel. This RGB lighting isn't that insane like many other gaming smartphones, and there are a lot of options to select your colors and RGB lighting pattern. This Black Shark 4 Pro is a 5G smartphone, and 5G connectivity is better than many others. Especially there is a network enhancement mode, and in that mode Black Shark 4 Pro provides one of the fastest download speed among any Snapdragon 888 based smartphones. This is a gaming smartphone and playing games on this one is fun. But while playing games, 2 things are very important. Number 1, how good is thermal performance, and number 2, how responsive is the display panel and those magnetic pop-up triggers. Even if I always play games in Ludocross performance mode, this smartphone never gets as hot or never generates heat like any other gaming smartphones. Some gaming smartphones requires active cooling fan. Some gaming smartphones nowadays offering mouth full of names like this chamber, vapor chamber, this type of heatsink, that type of heatsink. This Black Shark 4 Pro comes with a very good heatsink and that works perfectly fine. You just can concentrate on your games. You don't have to be worried about thermal throttling, thermal performance or performance drop. As this one comes with a 4500 mAh battery and 120 watt charger, this one gets charged within 18 minutes. Yeah, Black Shark has advertised that this one will get charged within 15 minutes, but in reality this one takes 18 minutes, which is amazingly fast. I have managed to squeeze about 6 hours of screen on time, and that's standard, no complaint. Well, it's time for verdict. I have already given my verdict in the intro. I mean, at the beginning I have said that I like this one. That's why I'm doing this review video in 2022. And considering its current price, which is less than $500 US, I really believe that there is no other smartphones with this quality and performance which can beat Black Shark 4 Pro. Well, I would like to know what you think about this. Actually, I'm trying to bring more affordable options to you. So if you like this idea, please let me know, make a comment, and I will bring some other review videos of older devices which offers better value and still performs like a beast.
Stop it! Knock it off!
Well, if you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to make a comment and let me know what you think about this video, about this smartphone. If you have loved this video, please subscribe to this channel. Subscription button is there. Share the love.